as I watch this video, you know what I imagine. So I employ una.
All right.
Una leave work una they do.
Can they sing?
Can they sing? Oh my sakulu.
No, you go just enter inside. You go shop first, but you go align yourself.
Your sack later go dey knock.
Anyone now welcome back on Sunday Night Show. Tell us we'll get chicane for Inside Studio. 3 beautiful tomato juice. That's something that one. You almost see them, see their skin. See you. Then they show yourself. See ya.
You do what you be shaking. Sugar cane.
Ngwa, thank you. Ngwa, Joffa.
Wait,
to start from self. Where una from?
Asaba.
Delta State.
Delta State.
Asaba.
So, daddy and Edo, like a brother and sister.
So, una be sisters?
They come together according to their age.
Who's senior pass?
I don't know.
9 minutes.
We're twins.
Oh, una be twins?
Yeah.
And the junior.
Oh, now you junior? Eh.
So now who senior who by 9 minutes?
Who's senior who by 9 minutes?
So now you first come out,
Now
in
you-
other words. You waiting keep you after 9 minutes, you don't agree come out.
She they do makeup. She they do makeup. Let me go outside.
You never actually changed it.
Ayana, okay, from you, sweetheart. Tell us your real name. Where mom give you?
Nkem Delim.
Nkem Delim.
Nkem.
Nkem Delim on webu. Nkem Delim want to cook. Nkem Delim.
Nkem Delim.
That's it.
What's mine is mine. Nkem.
Your mama gets
Finish.
papa name, son name.
Eninye.
Gene.
Eninye.
He be like, what be that person's son name yesterday? Who be that person again?
Shakara.
Shakara.
Shaka. Oh.
I don't
What
forget
be
that.
that son name again? No.
Something Onodoriro.
Nkem Delim. Senior 9 minutes. I mean, it can be already.
Ifeanyi Chukwu.
Ifeanyi. So you're a guy. No, what's up? Not chop knuckle. Hey, sweetie, my own tomato. This is not this one. Be my tomato. My package. This guy is a duplex up and down. So what is your own name?
Uche Chukwu.
Uche Ichuku. You see,
Ifeanyi
you see,
Chukwu,
the name rhyme with my name. See, my name now Nedu. How many letters it be?
Which one?
Uche.
Nedu, how many letters my name?
4 now.
Uche, how many letters? Kiss me for here, kiss me for here. Your father is rich. Your father, you not rich.
Why they beat me now?
You not rich. You mad. You not kiss. They don't kiss you before. They don't. The person wears clean like this don't kiss you before. Okay, now waiting make una give una self chicane. Waiting una no see name again.
no chicane.
Una I will be imagine me na sugar cane. Maybe they chop
Sugar
sugar
cane, baby. Oh. You don't get that song. Are you leaving me? Be like church song.
What make una give una name chicane?
Shekinah Glory.
Yeah.
Mom gave us the name.
Well,
Shekinah Glory.
Shekinah.
Shekinah Glory.
Chicken.
Hey, Shekinah.
Shekinah,
You can
yeah.
say it like that. You can say Shekinah.
Chicken. But not be aiming chicken na dey for the back now. Cause chicken not there now.
Eh, nah.
Okay,
chicken.
it's our names combined. It's our English names
What
combined.
in come na English? Una know they sabi answer question. Na so na they fail exam. What is your name? Nkem the name.
It's two names. We have two
Call
names.
all your name.
What in the name? What is your English name?
No, call him full name.
Hold on. What is your English name? Call it
Surname
full.
and other names.
K. Nkem Delim.
And
Eninye.
Guinea. The first one again.
K. K.
like K-leg.
Letter K.
Like
Yeah.
K-leg.
I have
Like
K-leg,
K.
so it's K
Yes,
for K-leg.
Oh, K-leg.
Yes.
Your man can look give you
I have
K-leg.
K-leg.
You what did I look give you?
Be like, yeah, Shakara again.
You what did I look give you?
No. My own is just Shay. That's it. Ordinary Shay.
K, Shay, and Kwe.
Maybe Papa just shake.
Kwe.
And when them,
Wait.
no, when them gonna when the begin to like, mama, push. She's like, honey, you're here, you just shaved. Shay. That's her name.
It's gonna be K, Shay, and Kwe.
I'm Kwe. What's your English name?
Aname.
Kwe.
It's not Kwe. It's Aname.
Wait.
Aname.
Keshe Aname. Chola. Keshe Aname. Come, where them born all of them?
London.
Wham! Now you are coming. Because you don't get high.
They go give you quay.
Doctor go say no. Midwife go say, blood of Jesus. What kind of name is that? Then una for the answer like a blessing. You go answer hope.
Hope. Bless
Charity.
you.
How can you charity?
Faith.
Pressure.
Faith.
Pressure. You are there. Which you are there. You go fit answer mercy. Mercy of the Lord. Or you go fit answer Bonaventure. But now preaching when I go they speak, or not be English one that they speak here. So make I ask una now. Make I ask you, Uche, how na take start? How na take start? To even start with which kind of music can they do?
First of all, where they come from? You don't ever
They're from
hear
Delta
of them.
now.
And now where you don't ever hear of them, suddenly yours like a star in the sky. Boa!
I know them now.
Where you know them from?
I know them for Oshodi, for London. We don't jam before now. Shebi we don't jam before.
Yes.
For Oshodi. These are not. I like.
No.
Oh, sure, you
They say no, like they know you should do.
Where exactly for Delta State you are from? Asaba Gongo Nana from. Where in a village? I mean, my mommy said we are from Asaba.
No, we're from Umuago.
Umuago for inside Asaba. Okay. When was the last time when I go Asaba? When I go village?
Like December.
December. Now go Christmas.
Yeah, we went for a wedding.
I don't know, go perform.
local language.
Mona speak pidgin now. I'll say went for a wedding. Say we go wedding. I get a wedding.
We go.
No, you know no, not because them just now.
Okay, but why is it when you speak pidgin, you say we go wedding? Why can't you just speak
My sister that is pidgin. Now for Yankee, now they didn't know. Then what is it police for them when they arrest you? They do a small come with us. But yeah, get out! It's normal with us. We shout. So which kind of music will they do? Which kind of music will they say when they do? Even I talk. What is sweet in you now? I never even kiss you. You don't. If I can't kiss you now, you are going to lie on the ground. Oh God! This love is checking me.
We know, say, as we day like this, we don't blow. Now we know yours know. You don't look their hairs. Their hairs from Peru, Brazil, and the Middle East.
No, this one.
Middle East.
This one, Peru.
The other one come.
This one be like Ushudi.
No.
No, but this one.
That hair they very different. It's from India.
Now India, your own come from. Your own. Where you come from?
Malaysia.
Where you come from?
Malaysia.
Mali. So now 3 different countries. So now
Then they carry for head.
no, you carry Peruvian, you carry Malaysia, you carry India. Anyway, back to the question. Chicane. I know so I get new song, new video, and everything. But before it comes to that part, when una start music, not that I'm from Beleo, I no go agree. How 3 of una take start music? When una start music? When una know say, you go good more come together take sing. Hey, oh yeah, we're going to make money.
When the face discover say the fit even sing together.
Now they don't be the same question now. So when I understand the question, why I ask una, why answer?
Small.
Ngwagon. Our late mother.
Guinea.
Our late mother.
Oh, your mother and that.
Yes,
rest
yes.
her soul.
I'm sorry.
So she now said that we should.
Mba, oh, pidgin Kaya. So
Listen, I have to do small. I can't just bang. I have to, you know.
again, I look. I can't just bring. I can't just bring.
But you're really praying.
But you're doing the bring. I can't just bring. Hey, continue.
So our late mother supported our dream to sing, and she advised us to start a group.
You know, saying English, they still speak.
It's just but that's
Come, you know Sabi speak broken.
No.
Okay, may talk say. Our mama why don't die. Talk am. Say our mama why don't die.
Our mama went down that.
Talk say.
Say I did mine.
Talk, say.
Say talk say. Una can sing, me una sing.
Talk, say, una con sing.
Make una sing.
Making us sing. It's not really happening.
Are you cool? I know surely. 1 week.
Hey,
May they just follow
we
us.
continue. Continue.
That's the story. She said you can sing, so we sang. That's the story.
She said, sing, we sang, we have.
So now they'll now start the
Yes,
sing.
that's it.
So now the question why they ask you now, I never ask me the first question. Which kind of music when I go say when I sing? Now R&B, I've been a traditional hip hop,
On a Lekushi music.
Afro pop.
Afro pop. Okay, now how una takes start? I don't ask that question, but I want get full gist. People when they listen, when they watch una now, they want to know how una take start.
And which work did they work before?
And what you they do before now? Okay, I've been at music from beginning.
No.
So how it takes start? The story I want hear.
Oh, okay. I'm just thinking how I will do pidgin and
No,
say.
you don't. No, anyone where you speak.
Okay, good. So we went to school. From school, we were singing, and our mama said, "It not gonna happen like that. That we have to read first."
Okay.
So we finished our studies. When we finished our studies, she said we can do our music.
Okay.
Then she passed. When she passed, we now created our label, Mama A Records. And
Mama
we-
get it?
Mama A Records.
Mama
After
A
our
Records.
mum.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
And then we now said, let's come back home and do the music. So that's the short story version, to be honest.
Okay. How long have I done in Nigeria?
On this particular trip is like we'll be here for like 1 month, but we come maybe like 5-6 times a year. We just keep on coming.
Una they come, but una not be say una they live for
We
there.
want to live here, like within
But
2
now
months.
you want come taste the market.
No. We want to be here. We want
So
to
why
speak
you
like
not
you.
they go 5-6 times?
Money
No.
money. We go. We're It's finding, money. we have to- It's not easy for us as
They
females.
all they find the money for Nigeria. I be for there.
No,
for
for London. That's
London.
Yeah, we make money in London. I'm a
What
lawyer.
in
I'm a lawyer.
Okay.
Yes.
For daytime, you can't they sing for night.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you what do you do for daytime?
Contractor.
Eh?
Contractor.
Contractor.
You they build house.
No, what is the contractor? If they supply cows to company, contractor of it be everything.
Contractor na different thing. You can supply pure water.
Legal contractor. She writes contracts. Legal
Oh.
contracts.
Come on,
My sister.
what do you does?
The same thing, but just more senior. The same thing.
You know, like write contract for somebody.
You should
Who's
write
who got that
contract.
contract here in this town? Because if you can't call contract, there's one eye they will take a look.
No. Legal contract. So it's law.
It's in the
law,
legal
basically.
field.
Now, okay, una they say una never wait. Una say una never una want move come Nigeria. Now, when una hope to move enter Nigeria? Because if you get husband, you go enter Nigeria. You go enter Nigeria. If you get husband, you
Yes,
go enter Nigeria.
yes.
So now they look for husband now.
Yes.
Okay. So those of una where they want from different parts of this country now, for Sokoto, for Taraba, for Abuja, Zamfara, Borno, Maiduguri, because they are single. Hold on now.
Hold on. Now you're single.
Now be there. See them. Okay, see I'm now. See I'm now.
You do auction.
Yes, now. So sell your market for those who want marry you now. Tell them what you want. What you go like. Make them hear. It's a big cook.
Me, I go first. I can cook. I make egusi.
Bono.
Bono. I can make swallow.
My sister, that soup not go sweet.
No, it's
What if you're
I don't know.
I make
it
opono
tastes nice.
soup. I make it very
tastes
well.
very nice.
So I can make pepper soup.
Okay.
I can make beans. I can make
gizzard.
I can make anything you
Yam
want.
porridge. Oh.
Anything you want.
But
I'll
how
make it
come
for
I
you.
never marry?
We're still looking. It's
Now they look at them. You not there here. Now with the auction, and the auction them so now.
You know, say the yours they come Nigeria. Why they no marry for there? I mean, you know the man know
they
they.
for there. They behave anyhow.
No, we don't know now until they tell us.
You see, ma tell you what ma see. Then go ma tell you, men for there. If you see men, they are men with the waka like a push. Now because of say sometimes 4 years old, they see they carry them for trolley. They for diaper. Now make their men they do anyhow. They waka like mumu. But for here for Nigeria, you go see 4 years old baking go tell you, mommy, enter, let me push you. Now make our men they strong well. So that one money Nigeria one. Hey, no be say they not see men there.
So they in a business with this now. May we tell people, it can where they go, you know.
Eh?
Yeah.
See, men for there they do eggplant.
It's so
For here they do eggplant.
we go blow on top this market now.
So those of you where one marry now, more gonna begin the call to them for talk to them and then to
If you like option A,
this is option A,
option B,
option B,
and
option C.
As
Let's
like
go
a crop
again.
top.
Option A, raise your hand. Option B, raise your hand. Option C, raise your hand.
Option C, see in clothes, you never wear them common.
You never wear-
You never cover all the body.
So anyone where you want, choose. But anyway, we could go back to the music now. Of course, your una parents support una music.
Yeah.
Now, so far, since una don't begin to come back to Nigeria, how you feel say what's be the what's be that thing?
Challenge.
Challenge. Welcome. Can you that English?
No, you calm down.
Acceptance. Bam. What's be the acceptance? Where they don't give una. Because music industry for Nigeria, I no go like give you e hard. Our music industry here hard. So waiting be the acceptance when I don't get since when I don't enter Nigeria. They come 6 times a year.
When I don't get manager.
See their manager now. You know, see this man with they here.
This
The
man
best
could
defense
defraud
no
them.
pap since
No,
morning.
you know this kind of man, he could defraud them. You know, go. They don't have a robot now, like a thief in the night. You know.
The place say never pap since morning. Say.
That's why I say collect all their money. You know, say they use the speaker boy now, and I put those things. Once he talk, he could talk like say serious. You know, say they do. If we want to be serious, we could see. You know, this thing. If we go like this, they could not. They no say.
Okay. Anyway, make we go small chicken break. We'll come back. We'll watch one of Chicane their video. Make we know what the Chicane they here. We'll get plenty of questions to ask them today. They will answer all of them.
Send us your tweet message. Option A, B, or C.
And the question when you want to ask them, send up for tweet messages, and then you go pick call for phone to talk to them. Then they here. Make we watch one of their video when they come back. Still on top of the night show. They're not they go anywhere.